All right, how's it going there? So look, today we're going to make this lamb stew with potatoes and carrots. Now this is a kind of put it in the pot and walk away. Everything goes in at once. Nice kind of lowish heat. Walk away for 45 minutes, come back. Look what you've got there, fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in the center, I've got some lamb, chunky lamb. There's some bone in there, a little bit of fat. Either side, you can see I've got carrots and I've got potatoes. That's like a couple of decent sized potatoes, cut really chunky. Couple of decent sized carrots, cut really chunky. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic. And today I'm going with 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns and a teaspoon of dried thyme. Let's get going. Okay, so here we go, all in. So we're gonna go with a little bit of olive oil. I'm using a nice quality extra virgin oil there. We're gonna get our meat and we're gonna drop that in. You can see it's kind of chunky cut. There's some bone, but yeah, it's all pretty good. Little tiny bit of fat, not too much. Now the heat's on and it's on below medium, and that's where we're gonna stay all the way, below medium. So that goes in. As does the onion. The tablespoon of garlic. The thyme and the peppercorns. I mean, you can change this if you want. Put something else in there, another different spice. The carrots. Now, I've not even peeled those, I've just washed them. Big chunky potatoes. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. Being fairly generous with the pepper. And then here I've got some chicken stock. You could use a vegetable stock or something else, a beef stock or something. In that goes. The lid's going to go on, and we're going to let that go on this kind of, like I say, it's not on a high heat at all, for about 45 minutes. There's nothing else to do now. Okay, so lid on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a stir every 15-20 minutes. All right, off goes the heat. Going to heat off, look at that. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really simple. Okay, so that meat is really nice and tender. I've just had a little poke around there, really good. The potatoes are obviously really, really soft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just crush one and do 1 or 2 and get them into the stock that we added. Let's do 2. Get them in there, you can see they're super soft. And then sort of just make up a little bit of that gravy in there. Fabulous, fabulous. Let's get this on a plate. Really good, nice and easy, easy peasy weezy. Lemon squeezy. All right, there you go. All I've done is I put a little bit of parsley on the top. That's fantastic. Chuck it in, walk away, do something, come back, job done. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.